On today's Disney Roundup, a first look at Disney Dreams that Soar, a sneak peek at the new Country Bear Musical Jamboree, and a reopening date is announced for Rock and Roller Coaster. I have all that and more for you coming up right here on the DRU.
To infinity and beyond!
I'm in the mood to help you, dude. You ain't never had a friend like me.
Hey everyone, Jeff here, and welcome to the Disney Roundup, where I bring you up to date with all the latest Disney and Disney Parks news. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive the Disney Roundup each and single week. Starting with Outside the Parks news, set to debut this month, Disney has shared a first look at the new nighttime drone show coming to Disney Springs. Disney Springs will come alive with Disney Dreams that Soar beginning May 24th, and now Disney has shared an exclusive first look at the experience. The show will be presenting Disney characters who have had a dream of flying, not just the idea that they can fly, but the idea of taking their lives to the next level. The show will have a lot of characters, which means a lot of drones, 800 drones to be exact, all working together to create a massive canvas in the night sky, including a Baymax twice the height of Spaceship Earth. Music plays a big role in the connection. Disney Dreams that Soar features well-known and beloved soundtracks in addition to an original song that will inspire you to follow your heart, take a leap of faith, and reach for the stars. Clocking in at just under 10 minutes, the show is a perfect kiss goodnight to your day of shopping, playing, and dining at Disney Springs, with 2 shows each evening this summer. Disney Dreams that Soar takes place nightly starting May 24th through September 2nd at Disney Springs. Guests looking to mail merchandise back home, be aware a new shipping center has opened in Disney Springs. Over this past week, a new guest shipping center has now opened in Disney Springs. While the building's location is currently not marked per WDW News Today, the shipping center is located near the Once Upon a Toy Store and Marketplace, at the back of the Marketplace Co-op, and in front of the restrooms. Be aware the shipping center is through UPS and not through Disney, so UPS charges will apply. Now into parks news. Set to reopen this summer, Disney has shared a first look inside the Country Bear Musical Jamboree. When the Country Bear Musical Jamboree opens with a reimagined show this summer at the Magic Kingdom at Walt Disney World, the show-stopping bears will have brand new looks, including bright, bold, and brilliant costumes for Bunny, Bubbles, and Beulah. In a brand new behind-the-scenes video with Sarah Landisberg, a costumer with Disney Live Entertainment, who is helping bring these new fabulous looks to life, the bear trio has found a new look that works for them, so clap your hands and stop your feet, because Bunny, Bubbles, and Beulah, and the rest of the Country Bears are getting ready to put on a new show that pays homage to the Opry-style shows of Nashville. While the Country Bear Musical Jamboree will include Easter eggs from the beginning to the end, including a familiar tune fans may remember, the Bears will sing new reinterpreted Disney tunes in different genres of country music, like bluegrass, pop country, Americana, rockabilly, and other styles. After closing for refurbishment at the beginning of this year, Disney has now shared when Rock and Roller Coaster at Hollywood Studios will reopen. At the beginning of January, Rock and Roller Coaster at Hollywood Studios has been closed for what has said to be routine refurbishments. It has now been announced that following the long refurbishment, the roller coaster is planned to reopen on July 27th. No further details on the refurbishment have been shared, but per Blog Mickey, it's rumored the system received upgrades during the downtime. Taking place along with other previews, D23 will be having a preview event for Tiana's Bayou Adventure. D23 Gold members can be among the first to experience Tiana's Bayou Adventure at Magic Kingdom. The event is set to take place on June 22nd at $67 per ticket. During the event, D23 Gold members and their guests will have access to Magic Kingdom during the event hours and will be able to experience the attraction as many times as they wish, with refreshments to be provided. The event is also said to have live jazz performances, and guests attending will receive a D23 exclusive Tiana's Bayou Adventure pin. Tickets for the event went on sale last week and went very quickly. As of up to the recording of this video, it's currently sold out. Now into company news. Set to debut this fall, a name has finally been announced for the sports venture streaming platform between ESPN, Warner Brothers Discovery, and Fox. Venu Sports, which is on track to launch this fall in the US, will bring together companies, portfolios of sports networks, and certain direct consumer services in a compelling new streaming sports service to allow fans to get the most out of every game. Venu Sports is an innovative future streaming platform being built through the joint venture created by ESPN, Fox, and Warner Brothers Discovery. Will bring together the collective companies' portfolios, including content from all major professional sports leagues and college sports. Venu Sports is scheduled to launch in the fall of 2024, will be made available directly to consumers via a new app. Subscribers will also have the ability to bundle the product, including with Disney Plus, Hulu, or Max. Alright everyone, well, that's it for this week's episode of the Disney Roundup. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive the Disney Roundup each and every single week. That's it for this week, and until next time, we'll see you on the DRU.